let us see this problem. Change the order of integration. Change the order of integration. So for this problem, so here the question is integral over 0 to a, integral over 0 to a, integral over x to a, integral over x to a, f of x comma y, f of x comma y, dy dx. So here in the inner integral we have y, the outer integral we have x. So let us take the inner integral first. Therefore we have to write the equation. Therefore the lower limit for y is x. Therefore y is equal to x. The upper limit for y is a. Therefore y is equal to a. And then outer integral, the variable is x. The lower limit is 0. Therefore x equal to 0. And the upper limit is a. Therefore x equal to a. Now we have to draw the line by using these four equations. So now as usual, so here we can take, so this is what y axis and here this is what x axis. So here we can say x axis and y axis. So for the x axis it is y is equal to 0 line, and y axis it is x equal to 0 line. So in the problem we have to find out what are the equations which is given. So here x equal to 0 is given, so this line will be included, this line will be included, x equal to, and then x equal to a, x equal to a I take somewhere here. So this is what x equal to a. Why? Because so here I take a point a here, therefore a comma 0, a comma 0. So this line corresponds to x equal to a, this line corresponds to x equal to a, and then y is equal to a. So here I take 0 comma a point, 0 comma a point here. Therefore I draw a line here. So this corresponds to y is equal to a. So I got these three lines, and then y is equal to x, y is equal to x. So this is what y is equal to x, y is equal to x. So in this y is equal to 0 is not included. Therefore I need not take this x axis, need not take this x axis. So these three lines will be covered. So x equal to 0 will be covered, right? X equal to 0, y is equal to x. So this is what y is equal to x, right? X equal to 0, y is equal to x, and then y is equal to a line, right? X equal to a line, x equal to a line, right? So here the region will be bounded. So this is what the required region, Now what is the question? Change the order of integration. Order of integration in the sense, so here it is y and x. I need to change x and y. So I need to find out the limit. So here I just write, so here I need dx and dy. In this way I need to write. So the function is f of x comma y, f of x comma y. So the inner integral is x. So if we need to find out the limit for x, so if we need to so here we need to find out the limit for x. So draw a line parallel to x axis. So draw a line parallel to x axis, right? So here the lower limit will be, so here x equal to 0. This is what the lower limit, and it touches x equal to y line, x equal to y line. So it varies from 0 to y. It varies from 0 to y. And then if you take vertically, so horizontal line, horizontal strip will be 0 to y. And when you see the vertical strip, so the outer region, so y. So here when you see the outer region, so the lower limit will be y is equal to 0 line, y is equal to 0 to y is equal to a, right? Y is equal to 0 to y is equal to a. So this is what the required integral. So changing the order of integration, we obtain the limit as such. So this is what the changed function, integral function. Thank you.